Hello there and welcome back to another Little Spark vlog. Today I'm here with my sister Alyssa. We are staying at Universal's Endless Summer Dockside for a weekend trip here in Florida. So we just checked in. We are here pretty early, so Endless Summer, for this time I got an email a couple days ago asking if I wanted to do an early check-in. I actually didn't do it until this morning when we landed. But when we got here, it doesn't seem like it's too busy, so they had a room available. We were able to come up. It's currently a little bit after 11 o'clock, so we're gonna rest here for a little bit. And we have a Disney Springs day planned today, so just gonna putz around the springs and take you along with us. So it is currently November during the time of our trip, and it's later in November, so it's November 22nd. And all of the Christmas stuff is officially out and ready to go. So we're also going to be taking a look at some of the holiday things over at Disney Springs. All right, so we're going to do a quick room tour. Hello, there's my dad. We have the same kind of mirror with the hooks, which was a little bit of a talking point last time, which we decided that's where we're going to hang our towels because there were no hooks in the bathroom. But we still have the little closet with the drapey curtains. Give you that beachy vibe. Little rack for luggage. Full-size ironing board. Locked safe. Extra pillows and blankets, hangers. And if we move to the left, we have the sink with a lighted mirror. Some extra towels and some storage down there. Next we have the bathroom, which I think this shower looks different than the last time we stayed here, but I'm not sure. I'll have to double check that. Marcus will probably correct me here now. So we have a 2-bed room. Each one comes with a little light above it. I like the way Universal sets this up. There is a nice kind of plug between both of them. Although Disney's renovated rooms, I think, have better plug situations, but if you needed a conjoining room, there is a door that would allow that. And then we kind of have the TV console area. Lots of room to kind of put stuff. Drawers down here. A little ottoman you could pull out as a chair, but also looks like it could be some storage. Little coffee machine with to-go cups. And then in here we have the fridge. We have a very luxurious view this time. Ooh, parking lot. Other hotels. But yeah, I really enjoy this room. Clean, light, fresh. So yeah, we're gonna chill out here for a little while, and then next time you'll see us, we'll probably be at the Springs. Okay, so we are officially here at Disney Springs, and here is a list of some of the holiday offerings. So there's the Christmas tree stroll. You could also visit Santa. Scan that QR code there. So over here at Salt and Straw, they usually come out with a monthly series. This month for November, it's the Thanksgiving series. Next, we're gonna head into Disney Style. They've got a pretty garland up on the awnings. Let's go see what Christmas stuff they have. And this cute Lion King collection with this short sleeve button up Simba. These cute ears. This t-shirt with actually quite a few characters from the film. You don't usually see this many characters on one shirt.
Spirit jersey.
Oh, it's like almost spirit jersey material. A little Zazu plush. See a shoulder pal or... Oh, Tarzan. 25th anniversary. It's Turk.
Wow.
And then we also have a Lion King Fanny. $30. We also have these super cute Toy Story Crocs. We have one featuring Woody. Got Buzz Lightyear up there. And Then some Pizza Planet ones, which one of these little gibbets actually has little green aliens in it. Oh my gosh, that is too much. They have this oversized Mickey bag. They also have one for Baymax. They are $45 each. So oversized bags must be the new trend because there is also this ginormous Winnie the Pooh bag. It has straps and everything. And then they also have just his head as like a little crossbody bag. We also have these fleece-lined Christmas Crocs with Mickey gibbets. Those are $80. Super cute little Mickey ear elf hat. And oh, it's this little snow guy.
It's an ornament.
It's an ornament. Oh. Cute kid's sweater. Kind of a coordinating Mickey sweater ear headband. And then this really pretty tumbler. Here is the holiday spirit jersey. Spirit jersey is going for $85. Alright, so here is one of the trees for the Christmas tree stroll. It is Lilo and Stitch themed. A lot of detail goes into these. Every time you think you see it all, if you look closely, you can find some really cute little details. We have another tree from the Christmas tree stroll, and this one is the Haunted Mansion. And there literally is the bride propped right up into the tree, beating heart and all. Here we have the tree in town center. It is very tall tree. So many gorgeous garland ornaments and other decorations. Let it ring. Right in front of World of Disney and kind of to the side of Amorette's is another Christmas tree, stroll tree. This one is the 4 park icons. Very cute. And then just to the side of it, hold on, I'll show you. Right across the way is the Disney bus tree. Here's another one of the Christmas trees from the Christmas tree stroll. The Encanto tree with the family members' doors. So, as I was saying when we were standing next to those last 2 Christmas trees, right across the way at Amorette's are some holiday collection limited time offers. And this last one looks super fun. It's a Quackenbush. So cool. Alright, we are now currently in the world of Disney, and usually this front area is a lot more decorated to the season, but for now it looks a little bit more generic. Obviously there's different Christmas things I can see looking around, but typically this area is a lot more Christmassy. That will probably change as the season continues to go on. So they have this Wishables Advent Calendar. And the 2 that are definitely jumping out at me are Belle in her little Christmas dress. But look at Kermit in his Christmas hat. Oh my gosh, so cute. Let's see if we can find a price. Oh my gosh, $150. For the low price of $150.
Wow. Oh my goodness.
So Alyssa just spotted this super cute beanie. It's got like a very vintage classic look to it. It's embroidered and it looks so nice, and there's Dalmatians on it. I wore beanies more.
I love this. Oh, definitely look
25.
into this. $25.
There's a purple one.
There's a cute pink one too. A little more fancy, a little more chic. Alright, so we got this super cute, whoa, super cute snowman lounge fly. How much is he? $100. Okay.
Look at the inside.
Nothing special, just a print printed inside. There's also this gingerbread lounge fly, which is $88. And then we have a coordinating pair of the snowman ears. They're free. These usually go for anywhere between like $35 and $40. So, okay, so here we have a snowman mug. Oop, snowman mug. $25. We also have this snowman and Mickey pillow, $45. And this looks like a pajama set, flannel pajama set, featuring that same snowman Mickey design for $60. We have a do-it-yourself advent wall hanging, $60. And then we have a Mickey-shaped wreath. I believe, does it light up? Because it says it needs batteries, so I'm assuming it lights up.
The back, yeah.
Yeah, there's a battery pack, so it lights up too. Featuring some pine cones and frosted berries. And this is...
Or it is lit up.
Not super impressed. How much? 65 bucks? I feel like you could make something better with like garland and wire from the dollar store. Alright, this display makes up for the one at the other end of the store. Much more involved. There's some really cute little Mickey Santa figures.
Does it light up?
Yeah.
It does?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, and there's this
No
giant
way to
peppermint
take this.
Mickey ornament.
My mom would want like 10 of these.
All in the front yard.
Where do they have them?
They do also have some smaller
Yeah.
ones.
This is no better.
Oh, it does light up.
Oh, they light up.
Yeah, they do.
Oh my gosh. We just saw this little guy tucked around the corner. 45 bucks, little gingerbread Mickey.
So
I just wish the
strong.
green wasn't quite so lime green. Like, I feel like especially on the camera, it's really making it lime. It's not quite as bright in person, but I wish it was a touch darker. Alright, we have this kind of with the Loungefly backpack in the ears, a Mickey Snowman crew neck sweatshirt. Another holiday Loungefly. Some Mickey-shaped ornaments. Christmas hats. Here's this really cute Mickey Christmas sweater. I do like that. Oh. And somebody kidnapped Santa Claus over here.
I actually love him.
It's a little,
Looks like he got electrocuted.
yeah. So I have this shirt here, another short sleeve button down, and an embroidered long, well, printed and embroidered, so it's kind of mixed. Mickey's embroidered, but everybody else is printed. A cute little Pluto bringing us letter to Santa at the North Pole. We also have Elf Minnie. And Elf Mickey. Here's a better view of Elf Mickey. Here's another set of flannel pajamas. This one with Mickey Santa, $60. Shirt and pants.
The buttons are
Oh my
Mickey
gosh,
heads.
the buttons are Mickey. Adorable. This is different. I've never seen this kind of popcorn before. Cute and fluffy, like Stitch. Holiday cocoa popcorn. So I'm assuming it's like hot chocolate. And that'll do it from a quick Disney Springs visit. A lot more holiday 2024 content coming soon. So please stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.